Slide the front of the tilt bracket out of the track, and then slide the bracket forward until the sliding block can be lifted out of the track. Raise the tilt bracket to the point where the yellow bushing aligns with the relief cutout. If it's not in correct alignment, the retaining tab will be broken. Remove the cable retaining screws. Slide the rear section of the tilt bracket against the stop and push outward. The sliding blocks are a Teflon material and can be replaced separately. The tracks and blocks should not be lubricated.